Hello friends, this is Cook with Appu. Today we are going to make Sabudana Vada. Sabudana, which is also known as tapioca pearls. First we will soak the tapioca pearls for 20 minutes in water. Then we will drain the water and sprinkle some water and keep it for 2 to 3 hours. So I have sprinkled water and drained out. After all that processes I have taken out and kept. You can see that I have boiled the potatoes after washing them. Then after boiling I peeled them, again washed them, then mashed it and I have kept. Then 1 onion, ginger, green chili, coriander, curry leaves, salt, oil and ground nuts which was ground in the mixture. After roasting it, ginger garlic is crushed. Ginger garlic crushed one only you will take. And potatoes I have taken 2 to 3. If your vadas are crumbling, you can add more potato. And onion also I have washed and cut. And don't forget to roast the peanuts, then grind it well. I have taken a very big basin. Now to this I will add all the ingredients and mix it well, except the oil. I have taken almost 1.5 cups of tapioca. Then the mashed potatoes, 2 to 3, onion, you have to cut the onion finely, ginger garlic crushed and green chilies too cut into very small pieces. If you like less spicy you can just put 1 chili, then coriander leaves, then curry leaves. Both together I am putting. Then the ground nuts. And now I will mix it well. After putting all ingredients, don't forget to put the salt. I have taken 2 teaspoons of salt. Oil you will not put in this, okay? Don't forget. Now I have taken pan. I will heat it very nicely. Till that time I will mix it. You can see I have mixed it well. But if you are making for fasting or so, you don't have to add the onion, ginger, garlic and you can use the rock salt. Then we'll make it into a small ball. Then we'll just flat it. It will look like this. Now we'll make some and we'll take the pan, we'll heat it up and grease your hand with oil because then it sticks with the hand. Taken balls and now I'll make some and then I'll show you. You can see I've made some vadas. Now I'll take a pan. This is the healthier option. To that pan I'll keep this vadas. I've not even put the oil till now. Keep the vadas one by one. If it's breaking then you can put more potato. Many of the people deep fry it, which is not a very healthy option. This is a very healthy option. We'll put very less oil. Now we'll just drizzle the oil all around. Just almost half teaspoon for every vada. So you can see I am taken so less oil and just when we'll turn it again we'll put half teaspoon. So let it cook one side, then I'll flip it, cook the other side. It should be golden brown. So let's cook it well. You can see I have flipped it. Don't worry if it is sticking below. It will stick a bit because the sabudanas are very sticky. But if you are finding it difficult, you can add some more oil to just fry it. But it will not take that much oil how much you take for deep frying it. The color and appearance is like this because we are just roasting or just frying it, not deep frying it. That's why the color is like this. You can deep fry it. There is no compulsion to just roast it. You can see now I put again 1 teaspoon because it is sticking oil. So you can see in a very healthy manner we are just shallow frying it. So it saves oil also and it's healthy also. You can have it as an evening snack. You can take it in your tiffin boxes. These are very nice recipes which I am putting in my channels. You can see other recipes too. This should be the color. I flipped it again because the first side was not cooked nicely. This should be the color. Not too black, not too light brown. This should be the perfect color. Now our low oil sabudana vada is ready to eat. We'll just garnish with coriander leaves if you want. And now you can see our low oil sabudana vada without deep frying is ready. Please hit the like button for this and subscribe my channel. Share this video. Who likes sabudana vadas? Press the bell icon for getting my latest videos. This is Cook with Appu. Thank you. Keep supporting and keep loving by just hitting the like button. Thank you.